Hello and welcome to my Skyvision FX channel where we do daily analysis of the forex market. Please do like and subscribe and follow me on Twitter on the handle Skyvision FX. Okay, let's go to the charts. Just some commentary before we look at our three questions. We know that price moves in a trend. It either moves in a trend or it moves in a range. So yesterday we had this range. I did an analysis for if it was a trend and if it was a range. Now, so what I want to say is that if price is moving in a trend, okay, and you missed the entries, you can always get in on the retracement. Okay, so I missed this trend upwards. You can see it moved upwards very nicely. Okay, and then once it got in here and I saw this movement up, I then began to think that okay, price is likely to change direction, and then we can see that on this nice, let me expand that a bit. You can see on this this is a nice engulfing candle. Okay, so if you had entered there, you would have had at least some 24 pips or so to this level before it changed direction and then eventually went down. Okay, so just follow that process. Just follow that process. So even if you miss the trend, you can get in on the retracement and get some nice profits there. Okay, even if it's short-lived, because it could have done this, come up here, do this, and then continue upwards. Okay, it could have done that as well. So the market will always do what it wants to do, but just follow that process. Follow the process. If you miss the trade, leave that one and wait for the next setup. All right, so let's look at what the price do overnight. Let's look at our questions. So we started around here, went down a bit. We did not break any structure here. Went up, broke the structure, and started moving up. Sideways really for the rest of the time there, and now we are breaking this structure here, going for this level here. So we can either say, so if I was not doing this review now, I would have probably, I will have entered the small lots here and waited for it to move up for me to continue downward. So that is one scenario. Okay, so let's see what the price do overnight. I can say that, oops, that's not good. I can say price is in a big range. Okay, so if it's in a big range, what do? We expect price to come down, hit this level, maybe even hit the lows there. Okay, then give us a sign that it wants to move up. That's a bullish. We want to see some bullishness in the price, and then follow that upwards. That's one scenario. Another scenario is that it could move down. And then just continue downwards. Okay, continue downwards that way. It could do that. All right. So just be mindful of that. Then the next thing is it could actually just give us a nice big candle to change directions, and then we can then start trading upwards. So a number of scenarios, but just follow the price action. At these levels here, I'll be careful not to enter right now. Just wait for price to pull back, and then you continue in that in this direction that it's doing currently. This, you can see some momentum here. Just follow in that direction. But if it breaks above, once it breaks above the candles, then be careful, as that may be a change of direction in another to then go in the opposite direction. All right, have a good trading day.